We have found the epitome of pre-workouts. Hey guys, Jacob here from the Nutrition Store, and today we've got a product spotlight for you for something that is brand new in the store from Nutra Innovations after their recent rebrand. It is Epitome Hardcore. So when it comes to the formulation of the Epitome Hardcore, guys, we're getting a very complete formula, a very strong formula, and something that you might have seen before on our shelves. DMHA's in here. Let's just jump into it. Starting out, we're getting 6 grams of pure L-citrulline. Having that in a pure form, not citrulline malate, is going to make for a really good pump. So we got a 3.2 grams of beta-alanine, guys. That's going to be for power output, the paresthesia, the tingles, alongside a 2.5 grams of betaine anhydrous, trimethylglycine. Guys, we've seen this in a lot of formulas with beta-alanine and creatine to help with the absorption and the regulation of those, so awesome ingredient there. Let's get into the good stuff. We're looking at 1.5 grams of L-Tyrosine for energy and focus, as well as 1 gram of choline bitartrate to facilitate acetylcholine secretion. Getting 350 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous. We're going to jump down the line a little bit, joined by 25 milligrams of both CAF2 and CAF citrate, which is just dicaffeine malate and then caffeine citrate. So a total of 400 milligrams of caffeine in here. It's no joke. The yield's a little bit lower than that, obviously. 200 milligrams of the lovely DMHA. DMH, hey, this shit'll make you focus. DMH, hey, if you have prostate problems, don't take this. DMH, hey, if you're trying to perform in the bedroom after working out, it's either going to enhance it or hurt it. DMHA. It's amazing for focus. That was really just a DMHA advertisement right there. 200 milligrams of N-phenethyl dimethylamine. That is Urea Gerensis. That's going to be in there. Amazing for making you feel good. Hordenine hydrochloride at 75 milligrams. And then we're getting Rolfia vomitoria. Rolfia. It's like alpha yohimbe.
Like Dracula.
Yeah, it sounds like Dracula. Thank you. No, guys, it's for energy, obviously. Yohimbe can be a sexual stimulant, too. Yohimbe hydrochloride on top of that, and then huperzine at 200 micrograms. Huperzine has a lot of brain health research behind it, so really cool to be in there. Awesome product, awesome rebrand, Nutra. Proud of you guys, and stay tuned for the cherry flavor that'll be in next week. Love y'all. Thanks for tuning in to this podcast.